Welcome all to the fourth class of basic maths. Here we'll discuss how we can differentiate a function. So we discussed that for a function y is equal to f of x, as the value of x is increased by a small value, that is x plus dx, then the value of y is going to change by a small value, that we can say that y becomes y plus dy, and we need to find out the value of differentiation of y with respect to x, which is dy by dx. So if I am taking an example, let's say y is equal to 5x plus 3. So if I am putting the value of x is equal to 0, so we'll get the value of y is equal to 3. And if I am changing the value of x from 0 to 1, so we know that we'll get the value of y is equal to 8. Or if I'm putting the value of x is equal to 2, then I'll get the value of y is equal to 13. So over here, as we are changing the value of x, the value of y is also going to change. But we are considering a change which is very, very small. Let's say initially the value of x was something like 0. Then we are changing it from 0 to 0.000001. So such a small change will make a very small change in value of y. So we need to find out the change in value of y with respect to change in value of x if the changes are very small. So if we are just considering it's like a question, if y is equal to 5x plus 3 and our aim is to find out the value of dy by dx, to find the value of dy by dx. So over here what we have to do is we have to just consider that when the value of x is changing from x to x plus dx, so instead of x we should write x plus dx, and instead of y we can say that y is going to change from y plus dy. Then we can find out the value of dy by dx. So I'll discuss how to solve this. Y is equal to 5x plus 3 was our basic equation. Now instead of x we can write the value of x becomes x plus dx plus 3, then the value of y becomes y plus dy. Now we know that this term y is nothing but 5x plus 3 from the first equation. So instead of this y we can write it as 5x plus 3 plus change in value of y just represented by dy. Now we can multiply this 5 over here. So we are going to get 5x plus 5 dx plus 3. Now we can cancel this 5x and this 5x, this 3 and this 3. So we'll get differentiation of this y is equal to nothing but 5 dx. So if y is equal to nothing but 5x plus 3, so differentiation of y is going to be 5 into dx. Or if you'd like to find out the value of dy by dx, we can just write the denominator. So we'll get the value of dy by dx is equal to 5. Now, so we can say that the entire result is something like this. If y is equal to 5x plus 3, then differentiation of y is equal to 5 into dx, or the value of dy by dx is equal to nothing but 5. Now we can just observe what is the physical meaning of this dy by dx is 5 dx. That means change in value of y is going to be 5 times the change in value of x over here, because you can observe that if I am putting the value of x is equal to 0, then I'll get the value of y is equal to nothing but 3. And if I'm changing the value of x from 0 to 1, so the change in value of x over here is 1, then we can observe that the value of y is going to be nothing but 8. So over here the change in value of y is 5 and the change in value of x is nothing but 1. So basically this answer is representing the same thing. Change in value of y is 5 times the change in value of x. So we are changing the value of x by 1, so that y is increased by 5. Or this dy by dx represents that the change in value of y by change in value of x is 5, or change in value of y is 5 times that of x. So that is the physical meaning of differentiation of y with respect to x. What about the change in value of y with respect to change in value of x?